Guys, located right behind me is my favorite property we currently have for sale, located right here in PASO, ANCHO, just minutes from Zona Romantica. You guys don't want to miss this one. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to Casa Libertad. Past the gates here, we're greeted by this beautiful, huge garden. There's avocado trees here, other fruits and vegetables planted here, so you can literally eat out of this garden right here. A little bit about Casa Libertad. This is right under 2,000 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We're located, again, 5 to 10 minutes from Zona Romantica, so you get to go out and eat, have drinks, go to the beach, and retreat here in this beautiful, quiet home located in the jungle. Right along the Rio Cuale, all for under $270,000 USD. I can't wait to show you guys this property and highlight some key details, so let's go take a tour. Don't forget guys, if you like the content, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in Casa Libertad or other places around Vallarta, I would love to take you on a tour of your next dream property. So give me a shout. All my information is located right down below. And of course, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Welcome home, Casa Libertad. We are here. Let's have a look. So right away after we enter, we're greeted by this really nice kitchen, very Mexican style with the green and the tiles. I really like this kitchen. There is an oven because the current owner loves baking as well. I believe she was a cook, so very rare to find, but beautiful open style kitchen, ample counter space. You can really do whatever you want in this kitchen. Host, there's a nice little bar here as well. And I'm gonna show you guys the view out of this window because it's a beautiful view of the cliff down the hill a little bit. So really nice open style kitchen. After the kitchen, we have this huge living space. You could put a big sectional couch here with a TV, a little dining area or a dining space along the wall here, which I'll show you in just a second. But overall, this living space is nice and open, and you can do a lot with this space. This is probably my favorite place in the whole house. It's the beautiful library here, nice and open, and there's a balcony which you could potentially open up some of the wall here to have a bit more outdoor space and have it more open. But the thing I love most about this library here is the amazing ceiling here. I forgot what these are called. I'm going to put it in the comments. It's a word I haven't gotten used to saying yet, but just a beautiful ceiling. You get a nice little balcony here. It is narrow, which is what I was saying. You could potentially open up some of this wall to just open it up from the library to the balcony. But as you can see, the view from here is amazing. Could put a couple chairs here, have your morning coffee. I would never get tired of this view. Maybe my second or third favorite part of the house, I don't know, I lost count, is this little courtyard here. fully open so you get natural sunlight. Perfect place to have your morning coffee, or maybe like the third perfect place. There's so many here, but a nice extra garden area for your plants. There is a washer and dryer over here with a barbecue as well, and it opens up to the bedroom here, so a lot of space again to do whatever you please. You could put a hammock, you could really expand this garden area, so just a nice beautiful open space here. Hello, didn't see you there. Big bedroom here. This opens up to the little courtyard area that we just saw. Nice open space for the bedroom. King size bed here, and there's beautiful finishes on the wall as well to be able to put your things, your decor, your souvenirs. Nice big bedroom, and there's also a nice big closet with storage space on top. So there's a lot of room for storage over here in the bedroom. And this is the second bedroom here, so quite spacious as well. Nice breeze coming in from outside, and it is significantly more quiet than the first bedroom. Ample space to put a king size bed or even a Murphy bed and a desk over here, so quite spacious. And the best part about this guest bathroom here, I'm going to show you, is the bathtub. Very rare to find a bathtub. This baby is equipped with a bathtub, which I would die for, especially having kids. But just a beautiful big bathroom here as a guest bathroom. This is awesome. I would make use of this tub quite often. And before we get to the beautiful rooftop patio with breathtaking views, I'm going to show you guys the storage room downstairs, which I think could be converted into an additional guest bedroom, suite, whatever you want to make of it. At the very least, it's a huge storage space, which is very rare to find here. We have arrived to the storage space. As I mentioned earlier, this storage space does the full length of the first floor here and is quite wide. The only thing is the ceilings are a little bit low, but as a guest suite, if you were to convert it into one, you have space for windows here. You could have lower furniture to the ground. This bodega, aka storage space, is huge, and at the very least it gives you plenty of space to store everything that you'll gather living here. I know I have enough stuff to fill this space out for sure, but yeah, just a very big storage space that stretches all the way over here. Now that we've seen all of the house, let's go to the rooftop and catch some breathtaking views of Paso Ancho. Located right upstairs on the rooftop, you have this full open rooftop layout to really make it your own. You could easily build a second floor to this property. You can also just rail it off and have a beautiful layout with maybe a hot tub, some chairs up here. So a really nice open layout. It is the size of the full property here. So huge, and not to mention the amazing view that you see right here. Just all mountains all the way down to the cliff is the Rio Cuale. Beautiful views from here, and you get a nice little breeze, so you'll never overheat. Gets really hot here in Puerto Vallarta. Truly is significantly cooler than what you'll find closer to the ocean, just a few minutes away. Guys, guys, thank you for viewing Casa Libertad with me. I hope you enjoy this property as much as I do. Comment down below what your favorite part about this property is. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and contact me if you need any more information, if you want to schedule a tour, if you want to come see this beautiful property, if you want to say hi. All of my information is located down below. Marco in Mexico, and I'm out.